Class is in session. Welcome to Professor HODL, where we master the art and science of building lasting wealth through disciplined investing. As your professor, I'm here with your daily market briefing, the biggest moves from the last 24 hours in Tesla, Bitcoin, Solana, SpaceX, and a few other key names that serious investors watch. We'll keep it really simple and fun. What happened, why it matters, and what it could mean for your own money. Think of me as your friendly professor grabbing coffee with you and breaking it all down like we're just chatting. No fancy talk, just plain English so you feel way more confident. Tesla stock is getting close to that $400 mark right before its big earnings report on April 22nd. The company just hit a cool milestone with its new AI-5 chip design, and Elon Musk's team is already chatting up suppliers for a huge $25 billion chip factory project called Terafab. Pretty exciting stuff. A popular X post from Musk about the AI progress got tons of likes and shares. For beginners, here's the easy way to think about it. Tesla is still all in on self-driving cars and robots, which could be huge down the road. But right now, folks are a little nervous about how many electric cars they're selling. The stock can bounce around a lot, so only put in money you're okay watching go up and down. Bitcoin shot past $76,000 today and is hanging out around there. The big reason? Some good news about cooling things down in the Middle East, which dropped oil prices and made people feel more chill about taking risks. Bitcoin ETFs pulled in fresh money too, and whales, those big investors, are still buying. A popular X thread from analysts pointed out all the inflows and got a ton of buzz. For new investors, Bitcoin is kind of like digital gold. It often acts as a safe spot when the world feels shaky. But prices can drop quick if the mood changes. Always protect your money first and never go all in on one thing. Solana climbed nicely and sat around $85 to $86. The network is on fire with super high trading activity on its decentralized exchanges. It's now one of the top spots for fast, cheap crypto trades. Some leftover coins from an old sale are still around, but everyday use is staying strong. Solana founder Anatoly Yakovenko posted on X about the real-world usage numbers, and it got solid attention. If you're new, picture Solana like a speedy highway for apps and digital money. It has awesome long-term potential, but like any highway, it can have a few bumps. SpaceX kept things rolling with more successful Starlink launches and pushed the 2026 total past 1,000 satellites. They're also doing more tests on the next big Starship flight. These steady wins quietly help the whole Elon Musk family of companies, including Tesla. Putting it all together, the last 24 hours gave us a nice mix. Tesla pushing tech forward, Bitcoin writing some positive world news, Solana showing strong real use, and SpaceX just doing its reliable thing. Remember the professor's simple framework. Watch the bigger picture of what's happening in the world, look for chances where the possible gain feels way bigger than the possible loss, and build a mix of investments that can handle ups and downs without making you lose sleep. This daily update is here to give you the key stuff in plain English, so you can feel more confident before the next trading day starts. Until next time, students, keep thinking deeper and investing smarter. Class dismissed.